G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. We've recently been planting out some new herb gardens in our new location. You can see one just sitting here to my right. Now, one herb that is very commonly grown in many gardens is mint, but we need to be careful when it comes to where we locate our mint. Let's have a quick look at that. Now, I've purchased these two new mint plants. Now keep in mind that mint is very easy to propagate from, so therefore once you've got that original plant, which maybe you might get from a friend, you should never ever have to buy mint again. Now these two types are, firstly, this one is spearmint and this second one is just common mint. We'll use these commonly in all sorts of cooking and dishes and even refreshing drinks. So let's have a look at planting them out. As I mentioned in the introduction, we don't want these to be combined with other herb plants because they can grow literally throughout everything. The second point I'd make about this is that for this reason, I would rarely recommend that you would put these into the ground. Keep them in a pot and that will confine them and stop them from spreading everywhere. So let's put these in. I'm actually going to have a little bit of an experiment here, I guess, and that is I'm going to put each of these in the same pot. I'm curious to see how common mint and spearmint will in fact mix together. Now you will have seen my previous trick here with this. I'm going to plant these in the pot firstly and get them firmed down into their position. And now with these in place, I'm just going to literally remove the pot, and you can see we've got that nice shape there for the mint plant itself to go into, with minimal root disturbance. Same again for our common mint. Into the space, again with minimal root disturbance. Mind you, it's probably not so critical with mint. It is a very, very hardy plant. So there we have our two mints planted out in their separate pot, a pot that will confine their growth, and I'm now going to place this over with the rest of our herbs and give it a good water. It will then be fine for quite some time to come. We'll have our mint along with our other herbs available for us to use near our kitchen whenever we want. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I please ask you to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. It's there where you can continue and be a part of the gardening conversation. Thanks for watching.